If you're interested in learning to play the piano, learning your finger numbers is a great place to start. What I'm going to teach you is what I teach every beginner, even before they play their first note. Let's jump in. Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of MakingMusicFun.net. We create resources for elementary level music teachers, parents, and students. If that's you and this lesson is helpful, please consider subscribing. Learning your finger numbers is an important first step to learning to play the piano, because your music will include suggested finger numbers. The purpose of these numbers is to help you play your music in the easiest way possible. Before we get started, pause the lesson and go get a pencil and a piece of paper. I'm ready with my pencil and paper too, so let's start learning your finger numbers. Start by folding your paper like a hamburger. Hot dog is this way, and hamburger is this way. We're folding the paper to divide it into two halves. We'll use one half to trace your right hand and one half to trace your left hand. Let's trace your right hand first. Your thumb is finger 1, so write a 1. Your index finger is finger number 2. Write a 2. Your middle finger is number 3. Write a 3. Your ring finger is number 4, and your pinky is number 5. Now let's trace your left hand. Just like it is for your right hand, your thumb is number 1, so write a 1. Your index finger is finger number 2. Your middle finger is finger number 3. Your ring finger is number 4. And your pinky is number 5. That's it for this lesson. You're ready to play the piano. Check the description for a link to your very first piano lesson.